Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. Treat the rifle as loaded until verified otherwise. Once cleared, visually assess the rear sight to understand how it's attached and whether parts are damaged. You should document the sight condition with photos so you can restore original configuration if needed. Make sure to check local laws and warranty rules because removing or altering parts can have legal and safety consequences. If anything looks unusual, stop and consult a qualified gunsmith rather than improvising. You should not proceed with force if the sight resists. Many rear sights are on pins, dovetails, or welded fittings that need specific tooling. Once you notice tight fits, corrosion, or non-standard fasteners, make sure to stop and arrange for professional service. A trained gunsmith will use proper presses, pin punches, and fixtures. They also understand torque specs and metallurgy so they avoid ruining the receiver. In short, prioritize preserving function and safety over DIY shortcuts. Call a pro. Once the sight is removed by a qualified technician, you should verify that all parts were returned and that functionality was tested. Ask for photos of removal and any recommendations. You must store any original parts and fasteners in labeled packaging for future reinstallation or resale. If you attempt reassembly and something feels wrong, do not jury-rig solutions. Instead, bring the rifle back to the gunsmith. A single troubleshooting tip. If reassembly binds or aligns poorly, stop. Misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.